Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys my entire room space. I'm going to show you guys everything that I purchased. I want to say that this room was under $150 for sure, minus the bed frame. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's jump right to it. So when you first walk into my bedroom, as you can see, it's nice and clean and fresh looking. I just love the way that this came out. It's come a long ways, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like this type of video, just give me a big thumbs up and comment down below, and I will be sure to do more videos like this. I just kind of wanted to show you guys how big the space is. I've kind of turned that area that you just seen into like where I do my schoolwork and stuff. It used to be my vanity, but with starting school and everything, I just needed a space that I can just focus and do my work. And here's my baby, here's Remy. So starting here at the end of my bed, I purchased this foot bench, this tufted bench. I actually purchased this from Target. I have been looking at benches from Overstock, Wayfair, all those places, and they're really expensive. So this one I had caught on sale from Target for $127, originally $170. Y'all, I love this. It's velvet, it's tufted, it has good detailing on it, and it's super cute and comfortable. I also got this black throw blanket from Target, and it's velvet as well, and it goes all the way to the bottom. As you can see, it's super big. It fits my entire bed. Me and my husband love this blanket. I love it, and my kids love it. I think it was around $22. When shopping for comforters, I kind of always stayed away from the whole duvet comforter or whatever, because I just wasn't sure how to do it, but it's actually not that hard. This entire bedding that you see is from Overstock. I'm sorry, it's from Amazon. And I am gonna show you guys all the pieces. Okay, so I ended up purchasing the white duvet comforter. As you can see, I'm going to show you guys. There's the buttons. It is a little frustrating at times, but it's not that big of a deal. I got this off Amazon for I think $25, like super affordable, and it's like hotel quality. These pillow covers are velvet as well. I already had the inserts from older pillows around the house, and I got both of those for $15, I think, y'all. I'll have everything in the description. And these king size pillow shams I thought would set the tone because of the black framing, and those are from Amazon as well. Great quality, you guys, and it just looks so good. It gives me like hotel vibes, and it's just cozy. These are the pillowcases that came with the duvet set. Yeah, I just love it. It's just so sleek and nice looking. Also, you guys, it just makes my husband feel a lot better, because before this it was literally a full pink blush room, and I just woke up one day and was like, no. So we both love the color aspect in the room. The entire bed frame, obviously, it's from Ashley Furniture, and I had these mirrors around the house, and I just decided to put them over the bed just to tie in a little bit of that gold, and different lighting. If the light's on or whatever, it kind of pulls silver, so I thought it would be perfect. So I turned the light on so you guys can see. I decided to go with black curtain rods. I feel like, to me, in my opinion, it just makes it pop, and it looks really nice, and it pulls the black in and all together. I personally love it, and I purchased them from Walmart. Curtains are, I believe, from Overstock. I've had them for quite some time. I think since we first moved into the house. They might actually be from TJ Maxx. I like to pull things around the house and just change them up every now and then. But now, for the purpose of this video, you guys, on a budget, okay, these nightstands I love, and they kind of just fell into place. I got them from Walmart, and they are actually TV stands. I mean, not TV stands, like dinner trays. Trying to say what you would eat dinner on if you're sitting in the living room. Like my grandparents used to do it all the time. They fit so well, and I actually just put this vase with these pretty flowers that I put together from Hobby Lobby on here, and it just added a nice little touch. I absolutely love it. So yeah, my husband's side, he normally just doesn't have anything. He'll have, some water, his radio, and this little silver thing is for the remote control, and this elephant actually has like a scent potpourri thing in the inside. So elephant is for good luck. We really love it. yeah, this dresser, we actually repainted this. I don't know if you guys remember, like a year ago, we added new hardware, we painted and sanded the whole thing. It was really old looking, and yeah, it just needed to be completely redone to match our theme in our room, which was just classic, clean, modern. So I found these flowers, plant pot looking things at 5 and Below, and I thought they were really cute just to add like a little touch. The only thing that's annoying is the cord on my TV, but I'm just like, I don't even pay attention to it enough, honestly. So yeah, that is basically the gist of our bedroom. If you guys like this video, comment down below, check the description box for all items mentioned, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.